Hello everybody. So we're cleaning the International because I got the title yesterday and ignition key. So we're getting closer to maybe attempting to start this. It rolls free, so I gotta get some tires because tires no good. But we're trying to clean the engine bay up. This had aspen green originally, and so today I'm just cleaning. Tomorrow, Sunday the 19th, I'm gonna put some things together and see if it's possible maybe to crank it. Kind of excited, as you can tell. Somebody keeps praying. Things are coming along. I'm pretty happy. Not a high rate of speed, but I work a regular job. But they're coming along. So I've got to spray these drums all the way around and get those cleaned up, let them dry, and then I'm going to slap the tires on the truck so that way it actually can roll, because rolling is important. I need to move it back and forth in the driveway, and as I said, I may get ready to start this, which could be exciting or deadly. I don't know. So I got some Rust-Oleum over at Lowe's. Bonds to plastic, gloss black. I like gloss. I mean, nobody's gonna really ever see these except for me, because they're gonna be behind the tires, but I like it. This is paint and primer in one. And again, the real reason I like to do this is while I'm here, I may as well paint it, protect it a little longer. There's a lot of other things in here I'm gonna hit, but not today. I'm doing the drums all the way around, and this area that the battery tray, the backside. So I'm gonna hit that. Just get a paint cover on it, protect it a little bit from the environment. Never quite know how long to shake these things. By the way, when I said the threads, righty and loosey, well, they're actually marked on the end of these threads, L. So it's kind of neat. To tighten, you turn left. To get it loose, you turn right. That's opposite of generally everything else that we attribute to nuts and bolts. So I don't know why. I'm certain. If you know why, just go ahead and tell me. I don't know. All right, let's get the battery tray area up there real quick. Just lay on a neat layer of paint. Just protect it a little bit. That'll help quite a bit down the road. All right, so these are pretty simple. I'm going to paint the whole thing, and that should take care of that. So let's fresh can's always nice. I've been wearing a breathing mask all day, and I forgot to wear it, so I'm not breathing. And I'm getting everything. No reason not to. Even the nuts on the end of the lugs. And the dust grease cap. I'll probably have to go back over this one more time just to make sure I get everything. You can see it cleans up pretty nice. Like those, it's like the hubs for the tires. They really cleaned up beautifully. There. Make sure I get everything. I'm gonna have to get back into this and deal with the brakes. Those are gonna be the next project once I get this thing running. But in the meantime, I think we're about done with this one. So now we'll move on to the next one. And this dries pretty quick too. It's Rust-Oleum, which I like. And we'll go to the rear. Same thing. And what I did with these, just so you know, I took a wire wheel. To the actual drums and spent some time on that, cleaned them up, got most of the rust off. And then I hit it with degreaser, and that helped. I want to remove all the grease and whatever I can before I paint. But then I took some detergent, dishwash soap, in some water, and then scrubbed these down. And washed them off with a hose. And then I went back and applied some heat. And this stuff's actually really helpful. So let's paint this one up. And I put the nuts on largely because I wanted to not paint the threads. Just felt like it wouldn't be smart. That's nice. It's a little windy today, so I'm getting probably a lot closer to the metal than I normally would. It's not a great way to paint outside and in the wind, but it is what it is. Now, I'd turn these around so I can get the other side instead of struggling here, but I realize that I'm not going to be able to get everything, and I'm fine with that. I don't know if that made sense. Probably didn't. But I think, you put it together. I turn this by hand, and the areas that are hard to get would be exposed, but I don't want to get paint on my hands. I'm a little prissy, I don't know. Probably a lot more paint than I need, but I don't care. I want to get the wheels back on. We'll let that dry. This stuff dries really quick, I found. Go around to the other side here. So we're making some progress. See what we got in the viewfinder. Oh yeah, great, beautiful. Hoping to get one can to do everything. We'll see. Kind of cathartic, really, If I think I understand the meaning of that word. Cathartic. I looked it up. I think it's makes me feel good. Making progress. And I really am not trying to breathe this stuff in. It's one good thing about the wind. I'm kind of upwind when I do this, so. and it's dripping on the cement, so I'm gonna get in trouble for that. But and one more. Let's get this done. Have to deal with that soon, but not today. Okay, in the viewfinder. It's the last one. This car has 4 wheels. Ask me how I know that. See how some of this looks. Painted. It looks good. I did scrub a little bit here, just to. I gotta get some oil on this. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, I think I've hit everything I can reach. I'm not gonna worry too much. Not gonna rust away tomorrow. So we're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna put the wheels on, which I'm pretty excited about. Ugh. So I got the drums done, and rust is gone, everything. I'm pretty pleased about that. So cleaned everything up. As you know, I've cleaned the tires up. The tires actually look pretty good. It's amazing what new tires and cleaned up hubs look like. You don't need like mags or anything like that, or I don't even know if they're called mags, but like rims, you know? I mean, rims are great, but on something like this, keeping it simple. And anyway, so I'm gonna get these off, put them back on, and get the tires on, and went over to Northern Freight, got me some real chunks. So that way, because I don't have brakes and I don't want to put it in gear at the moment, I'm going to go ahead and get this back on the ground tonight so I can start tomorrow on attempting to start this. I'm hoping. May or may not be able to do it. Here we go. Come on, there we are. And these are righty-tighty, which is great. It's something I can't screw up, most likely. I'm in a neighborhood, and I don't necessarily like having this on jack stands. There's kids running around and all kind of stuff. I doubt anybody would do anything to knock this off the jack stands. When I do put it on jack stands, I like to put other objects underneath the vehicle, the truck in this case, just because it lessens the chance somebody could be killed, I guess, which is not good. Probably not good for insurance either. Much better. Not going to over tighten it. I'll save it till it's on the ground and use the old breaker bar just to kind of check. But yeah, boy, am I happy about that. So 2 more to do. I'm going to get it off the jack stands, put it back on the ground, and call it a day. Had a busy day, actually. Even cut the lawn today, which, it's nice, but, you know, I was looking forward to this mostly. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Battery fits.
You just push it down.
Oh, we'll just push it down. Jeez, come on.
You want to take this off?
Nah. In case I need to pull it out and a fire starts. All right, so we've got a small gallon fuel canister off to the side of the fuel tank. I don't want to pull bad fuel into the carburetor. And we're going to hook the battery up, see if there's any smoke or fire, make sure anything that's running is not running, and then I'm going to use some of this 50-to-1 engine, small engine oil, to see if this is going to start. Gotta see if this opens first. There you go. Oh yeah, it's good. Good stuff. All right. Ground. You don't want fireworks. Okay, well, it has electric to it now for the first time in I don't know how many years. That's good. Hear something?
Yeah, yeah.
What was that?
Little click. No idea.
Sounded like
navigation.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me see. Maybe because the keys in. Let me take it out.
Oh yeah, turn it into the straight up and down position.
It's in up and down. Yeah.
Okay.
I just took it out.
Pull the lights. See if they turn on. Go ahead. All the way out. Yeah. Yeah, we go. Turn them in. Push them in.
There's two. Let me see. One.
You're pulling or twisting?
Pulling.
Pull out.
Yeah, yeah.
No.
Either?
Nope. Let me see.
Just like mine. It has two clicks though, so it's probably regular and then highs. The one work?
Keys in.
Is it?
Turn it just one click. Do you hear that?
Want to do it again?
I heard crunching. Turn it.
I'm gonna
Go
turn it
back.
off. Yeah.
Something's happening. I heard clicks. Okay.
I'll do
One
the same
click.
thing again.
One click.
One click.
All right. Go ahead.
I can turn it left too. I don't know what that does.
That's accessory. But go straight up and down.
Yep, up and up.
Go one click, and then go ahead and bump it.
Okay, one click.
Now bump it. Stop.
Nice. I just turned it. It's,
Okay.
up and down now.
Up and down. All right.
Nice.
Let's see if this thing wants to run. Go back in there. So we're adding fuel. Sounded good. I'm gonna add a little fuel. Way too much, I'm assuming. Probably have a fire of some sort. Where's that towel, just in case?
Do you have the fire extinguisher too?
No, I don't. But I don't think anything's heating up. Yeah.
That one, right?
No, get the one in the back. I don't want to put out a fire with a clean towel. I want to put out the fire with oil and gasoline. Okay. Put that off to the side. If I tell you to kill it, kill it. But go ahead. Oh, let me. Okay, go ahead and crank it up.
Ready?
Yep.
It's one click and then, right?
Yep.
Again?
Yep. Go ahead. Hold it a little longer.
Tell me when. Ready?
Hold on. Go ahead. Hold on.
It's off, right?
Maybe a day or two, maybe a week. Go ahead.
Same thing?
Yep.
Tell me when again.
Go ahead. Go up to the up position. Yeah.
Up and down.
Mm-hmm. Probably way too much again. Go ahead. Okay. Well, the starter works.
Yeah.
Straight up and down.
Yep.
That's connected. That's connected. I wonder if he had a kill switch on there somehow. Okay, you clear?
Yep.
Clear?
Yep. You have to hold the clutch down while turning it or not?
It used to be a safety. Clear? Yeah. I mean, it turns over. That's the good
Yeah.
news. I don't think it's getting ignition electric, which means I've got to.
How's that looking in there?
Not pulling
It's
any
nothing,
fuel,
right?
but that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Making new noises.
Yeah. Go ahead. key's off, right?
It is not still in, but it's off.
Don't turn it, whatever you
No,
do.
no, no. Just took them out. Flash tray.
Yep. Go ahead and turn it. Yeah.
Key in
Yep.
and turning down.
Yep. All right. I don't think it's getting.
Fuel.
I don't think it's getting power.
Was.
Your key's out, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm not seeing spark. I think I gotta redo the point. I gotta take the points out, I think. Because I'm not seeing. Go ahead and turn it over again.
What's this choke switch?
It doesn't mean anything. It should fire with the chokes on or not. It's warm enough. But go ahead and do it.
It's in and on, right?
Yep. Okay.
Out.
Yeah, I think the points are bad.
Bad cluster.
Yeah, what I'm looking at here.
Try it with the choke out.
It's not gonna start now. I got the cap off. So go ahead and pull the key out.
Out.
Luckily,
You got Mo.
I got points. Yeah, let me kill the power altogether here. Well, the good news is it turned over nicely. I'm gonna redo the points. All right. I'm gonna ask you. Oh, hold on. So, I need you to bump it. Just bump it though.
What?
The engine.
Like the gas?
No, the switch. But not right now.
Okay.
Don't do it until I tell you to.
Yeah.
To me, the points just don't. All right, go ahead and bump it.
Just turn it on, right?
Real quick, pump it. All right, turn that off.
Yep. Out.
Yep. I don't think it's getting any spark. Bump it.
3, 2, 1.
Yep. Bump it. No, you're going too long. Just bump it.
Okay.
That's it right there. Don't touch anything. Okay. I'm killing the electric again.
Alright.
Well, that's about it. I think that all you can do for me. You know? I gotta take the points out. I think it might be the points. I really do. There's water in there?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, Wow. Okay, let's. Wow, there's water. All right, so for those viewers at home.
I'm just putting this right here. Sorry.
Yeah, it's fine.
Still.
So, Brennan, come on. Got to discuss this with the people. So, we went ahead and replaced the condensers. I'm sorry, we replaced the points. The points were really bad, and I didn't replace the condenser largely because it didn't fit. It was the wrong size, but the points look similar, so we put those in, and I checked it, and we have fire now at the points. I didn't measure them, but I basically measured it off the cam, so I'll have to set those. However, we're going to try to start this again. We got power. We know we have electric to the distributor. Let's give it a shot. Go ahead and roll it over a few times in case there's any fuel left in there. I'll tell you what. Okay.
Wait, like start it?
Yep. Go ahead.
Just bump it or what?
No, I'll crank it.
All right, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
It's gonna start.
It is. Wanna do
It's
Yeah.
holy crap. It's hold on. You heard it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That was different.
Oh my god. Way too much.
All right, let me know when to turn it off. Ready?
You just crank it. Go ahead.
Hitting the gas. I was hitting the gas a little bit.
It started.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do now. Holy
We're done.
Don't make sure the key's off.
Oh.
Just checking everything.
Do you want me to pump the gas?
Yeah, you can. Holy crap.
It won't go though, right?
It may.
Okay. Well, I know where the brake is.
Basically, it ran out of gas. I'm pouring it up here, and that'll burn off, and then it's empty. So,
So I'll turn it. I can pump the gas. Once it's stable, do you want me to
let it go.
let it go? Okay.
Let's see if it'll idle.
But okay, I'll keep doing that until you tell me stop,
Go ahead. You're under control.
or it shoots that way.
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
Remember, there's no brake or no clutch. No pressure. Go ahead.
Oh, there is no brake.
There's no brake.
Want to put something on the front?
There is.
Going that way?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
And back.
Okay.
Because that's a nice Jeep behind you. So. Okay. Go ahead, man.
Ready?
Yep. No. Yeah. Let it die down. Never hit that again.
Okay.
All right. Go ahead.
I'm. Oh, I'll try it again.
Go ahead. Hold on.
Keys out.
Yeah, I'm just making sure everything's away from the fan. All right, I'm gonna try to keep it going a little bit with some fuel, but not yet.
The other thing too. When should I let off the ignition?
You mean the accelerator pedal?
No.
Oh, as soon as it cranks, let it off.
Okay. It's hard to tell sometimes.
As soon as it cranks, let it off.
Okay.
Go ahead.
And then I'll start pumping the gas.
You could, yeah. And if we can get this thing to idle, I'll be shocked, but it may. So go ahead and you'll hear it. Just watch me.
Because I feel like I'm gonna have to floor it.
No, don't floor it. We got to ease this thing.
Yeah, I know.
Hold on. Yeah, it's starting to warm up a little bit, but there's nothing there. So go ahead.
Alrighty.
Yep.
Try
try it again. Once it cranks, get off that key. Go ahead.
Okay. Ready?
Yep. Go ahead. Pump it if you can. Go ahead.
You want to give it a go?
Nope.
Yeah.
That's it. What? Once it combusts, you're good with the key.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
What am I?
As soon as it cranks, as soon as you hear it fire, let off the key. It's spring loaded, just let it off and pump the gas.
Little pumps, right?
Yeah, you don't want to get this exploding out of here. We want it to run nice and idle.
All
Go
right.
ahead.
Am I holding it too long? I don't get it.
No. Well, yeah, you are, but okay. Go ahead.
Ready?
Yep.
That was it right there, right? Again?
That's what you want.
Yeah.
And so this is good news.
Yeah.
It cranked.
You want to do it? You got to.
You're not going to be any better than me. Keep going.
Again?
Yep.
Again?
As soon as you hear it crank, pump. Not the ignition.
No.
Yeah.
Is it?
It's okay. Keep going.
It's,
Go.
yeah, it's just not.
Go ahead.
So I was just holding it down a little bit.
It's fine.
Do that?
Yep.
Because if you do gasoline, what would happen?
This is gasoline.
But it's like,
No, it's gasoline. It's just got a little oil in it. It's better for lubricating certain parts of the carburetor and, and the top end.
is that what you're trying to do right now?
Yeah, we're kind of working on it that way too. Go ahead.
I'm holding it down all
No,
the way.
don't.
Okay.
Go ahead. Don't hold it down. Just crank it without hitting the gas.
That's it?
Yep. Leave it. Okay, it wants to idle.
Yeah.
Do it again.
Alright, let me see if I can pump it like that. That was a good one, right?
Yep. All right, we're done. We've accomplished a great deal. Yeah, I'll try it.
Definitely need a little more oil in there.
Just stay clear of the belts and all that.
Yeah.
Okay, keep your sleeves and all that clear. Go ahead up there. Clear?
Yeah. Awesome.
Ready?
Yeah. Want me to add a little more oil?
No. So you hear it and then you back it off.
Yeah.
Gotta guess.
Yeah.
All right, we got it started. That's
nice.
That's a big deal. Woo! That's a big deal. All right. Well, we started it. How about that? Well, I got to go through the points. And next I got to start looking at fuel. Because we want it to idle. But we made big headline news. Better than any headline news you're going to see this year. Right here. All right. Well, more coming, but thanks for tuning in. Not sure where we go with this next. I'm thinking fuel, continuing to clean some things up, and yeah, it warmed up. Not scorching, but wow, and it sounded pretty good. My guess is the carburetor needs to be pulled apart. So maybe that'll be next, I don't know. Anyway, if you like this, please subscribe, tune in, hit the little bell, whatever you need to do. Because I don't know what I'm doing, I'm not a mechanic. But after 24 years, Brendan and I got this thing started. And I'm pretty happy, the investment. We'll see you soon, bye-bye.